What do you say there, boys and girls? This is Lukin. I'm out here riding today for a little bit. It's like 80 degrees out here, which, you know, you never know what you're going to get when you're in Kentucky. One week it might be this, one week it's that. So I'm going to ride when I can, you know. So I'm out here, you know, got the big gun exhaust. You know, we're always sporting that. You know, what do I always say, boys and girls, when in doubt, what? Pull the big freaking guns out. That's what I always say. But, you know, we support Big Gun, support the Ruck Shop. You know, Burnout Bobby, hey, make sure you guys go over and check out Burnout Bobby, for real. Like, that guy literally helped me. For real, in all sincerity, I mean, no kidding. When I got out of the Marine Corps, I had seizures, and when I was in the Marine Corps, I had seizures, and that's why they let me go. But I used to work on vehicles. I come from an automotive background, and literally I forgot how to do everything. It's like some people can learn a new language when they hit their head. Not me. I lost everything. I had to relearn how to do everything. And his videos are so informative. They're so insightful that literally I was able to relearn how to do a lot of things. Between him and Pepper, I was able to, you know, literally put my last two bikes together, you know. And you got Matt from Rolling Wrench, you know, he's a great guy, a good teacher. You know, there's a lot of people in the community, but be sure to go like all these, you know, Burnout Bobby and, you know, Rolling Wrench, you know, Matt over there. These guys literally have helped teach me how to do all this. Between that, our very own Pepper Jesper J, you know, who's played by Ryan Mercer. You know, Romtech Design. I mean, he's the one that does fabricating, and he's the one who taught me how to do a lot of what I knew how to do it anyways. But when you start having epilepsy and stuff like that, and like literally, I just lost my license. That's why I'm on a 49cc bike, you know, so I don't have a license no more, again. I literally, you know, so it's how I get around. This is what I do. I love this bike, man. I love to ride anyways. But, you know, I mean, go check them out because you're going to learn something. You're going to learn a new skill. You're going to have fun while you learn it.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive.
We got blacktop. Are you freaking kidding me? You got blacktop? What? You finally got blacktop after 4 years? Are you freaking kidding? 4 years to get blacktop. Let's think y'all done the blacktop. Y'all never got to run the blacktop. Now y'all never got to run on this blacktop anyway. This is fresh. Like this is like you can see all the mess up fresh. You know? Yeah, I'm not kidding you. This is fresh blacktop. I'm not joking. It's fresh. This is there we go. Now I can talk to y'all a little bit. Like I'm not kidding. This is like fresh blacktop. I can't believe it. It's like I come out and it's like Christmas, man. After 4 years of living here, I finally got blacktop out here. Like it won't beat my bike on a crap right through here right now. Yeah, awesome. That is so awesome. That's not awesome enough to put behind the house. They're gonna have a house at their back porch.